A polygon object is a closed loop of lines and arcs. Start by drawing a circle. First, place the centre of the circle, then the radius with a second click. To make the radius a round number of grid units, make sure to have the centre point on the crosshair. Next, change the full circle into a 180-degree arc using the right-click context menu's property editor on the circle. The only property to change is delta angle. Now use the line tool to draw a closed loop using the existing arc. It is important that the endpoints of the arc and the line objects are aligned precisely, and there's no junction of any sort, but a single closed loop. Select the loop and convert the selection to polygon using the menu or hotkey. sch-rnd will ask for the origin, which will be the 0, 0 coordinate within the polygon object. All contour objects specified relative to this point. Now the original line and arc objects are converted into a single polygon object that behaves atomically for selection and transformations. A polygon object has properties for stroke and fill, all accessible from the property editor. A polygon doesn't have colour or thickness, but uses existing pens for drawing the outline and fill. The stroke property names a pen which is used to draw the outline of the polygon. Fill is drawn using the pen named in the fill property. Stroke and fill pens take effect only if the corresponding has fill and has stroke properties are true. Independently of whether the polygon is filled or not, it will react only on clicks near the contour, not within the enclosed area. To edit the polygon contour, the polygon can be broken up into contour objects. Select the polygon and use the Break Up Selected menu or hotkey. This replaces the polygon with a series of independent arc and line objects. These objects can be converted back into a polygon, but as independent objects, they don't remember the original polygon's stroke and fill.